Good morning, beautiful people. Come get ready with me. Today is my day off. 9 a.m. na pala. Late akong nagising. Hi! Pa-stretch ng neck. And syempre, to put on my robe. Sabi ng asawa ko, bakit gustong-gusto kong naka-robe every morning? Kasi feeling ko, mamshi, wifing-wife ko yung dating. Hindi, kasi nakaka-relax lang. By the way, one thing that you know about me, I can't leave my bed. I can't leave my room without doing my beddings. Kaya mga mamshis, beddings muna tayo. Feeling ko kasi, pag magulo yung room, hay nako, hindi kaya yan nakaka-relax. Kaya, kahit konting ayos lang, okay na. Kahit ganito lang, oks na. Dito pala sa kitchen, wow, malinis at maayos. Alam ng asawa at anak ko, ayaw ko nang makalat, especially sa aking countertop. So, it was my husband who did all the dishes. Tapos, all I have to do is to put it back all nasa drawer o kaya sa cabinet. Ayan. Dito pala sa apartment namin, sa Castro family, we have a division of labor except in the morning kasi yung asawa ko, he has to really go to work very early, 4 a.m. to just catch up the bus. O diba? Kasi nga wala pa kaming car. Sana someday talang magkakaroon kami. And syempre, yung aming anak si Cassie, since the school here in Canada haven't started yet, tapos part-time yung job ng anak ko, kung may time siya, tinutulungan naman ako mag-vacuum, to fold the laundry, whatever naman na may tutulong ni Cassie, we do really appreciate it, diba? Oo nga pala mga mamshis, meron akong panglinis to sanitize all your countertop. Ito siya. Ayan. All you have to do is to spray. It's all very natural. There's no chemical at all. Kasi vinegar lang yan. To sanitize all your countertop bago kayo magluto. Pwede rin siya sa gas stove. Safe nga siya. And of course, gusto ko yung aking living room. Ayaw ko nang makalat. Medyo ayusin natin ng konti. At ang sure ko din, gusto ko, it has to be organized and to be in order, ganyan. Hay nako, ang mama talaga, diba? Tapos gusto ko na-close yung door para neat talaga tingnan. And nakikita nyo yung aming tiny couch dyan. Perfect lang sa amin, perfect din sa aming apartment, kahit maliit lang. Kasi tatatlo lang naman kami. And guys, wash muna tayo ng face. Ganyan aking morning routine before I cook. Cetaphil pala yung gamit ko, dry skin ako. So, brush. And now, ready na akong gagawa ng egg sandwich ng aking anak with cheese. Ayan. Actually naman guys, yung anak ko marunong talaga mag-prepare ng breakfast. Kaso dito kasi sa Canada, we have a smoke detector. Ayaw ko kasi baka mag-alarm, hindi niya alam kung anong gagawin. Although, tinuruan naman natin siya. But it's better not to cook para safety. O, diba? Oo nga pala mga guys, yung gagawin kong sandwich is allergy kasi actually ng anak ko ang egg. Pero we discovered it, kami ng asawa ko na if we cook it this way, yung alam nyo yung yolk na egg, yung gusto kasi ng anak ko is yung sunny side up cooking. Pero lutong-luto yung yolk niya para hindi siya magka-allergy, which is good para naman ilagay natin sa egg. Ayan, ayaw ko ng salt. Nilagyan ko lang ng garlic powder and then I'm now going to put a pepper. I discourage Cassie and my husband not to use salt. Hindi ako maasin. Ayaw ko. Unhealthy yun eh. Ayan, yan ilalagay ko sa kanyang. And then, nalagyan ko ng side dish niya, grapes. Green grapes pala ng gusto ni Cassie with the brown bread. Ayan, para mas healthy. At syempre, dagdagan pa natin ng vitamin C for non-sugar na orange juice. Ayan, kuha na tayo ng fork and spoon for our table setting. Ready na si Ate Cassie kumain. Ganyan ang table setting natin. Tara na, gigisingin natin si Ate Cassie. Huy, gising! Alam niyang gising yan. O, diba? Gising nga. Narinig niya akong nag-ano. First rule pala, you have to do your beddings. Kaya nagbe-bedding si Ate Cassie. Ito na siya. Pasensya guys, hindi ko na na-film kung paano pala gawin yung cheese sandwich next time na lang. Deserve naman ni Cassie na kumain ng ganyan. Kasi good girl. She always help us whenever she got a time. Ayan guys, anong masasabi niyo sa video? Mag-comment lang kayo. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye!